What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and in today's video, we're going to talk about snowboard stance, and mainly the proper snowboard stance. That way, you can be the strongest rider possible, because if you have a bad snowboard stance, it's going to make you a weak rider. So, let's jump into today's video. Okay, so the proper stance that we want are knees, shoulders, toes, all in a line. This right here, this is the proper stance we want. We don't want to be bent at our waist. We don't want to have our lead shoulder completely open and snowboarding down the mountain like this. What a lot of people do is when they're making a toe side turn or just a turn, they will counter rotate really hard. And then once they get their board around, they have to re-counter rotate, and it puts them in a really bad position. We want to make sure while we're making our turns that we're staying in a very aligned position. You will have a little bit of open shoulder when you're initiating turns, but we don't want to be fully open or counter rotating while we're making our snowboard turns. Once again, this is our strong position right here. If I need to squat, I can. If I need to jump, I can. If I need to do anything from this position, I can, because this is my strongest position. It's almost like if I had a dumbbell, I could do a squat, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm in a very strong position. What a lot of people end up doing is they'll bend at their waist. They'll be snowboarding like this. It's a very weak position. You can still get down the mountain. You can still do things. You might be heel sliding near this position, but it's gonna, one, make your back hurt. Two, your legs are gonna be more straight. You're gonna get more chatter because it's harder to squat and bend over at the same time. And then if you're trying to do anything in the terrain park, if you get on a rail and you're bent at your waist, you're gonna go right off of it because you're not balanced. You know, you need to be balanced through your whole body. With all that being said too, you don't wanna be super stiff and tall and like no bend in your knees. You want a nice, strong bend, you know what I'm saying? Like an athletic position. When I played football, they say you always wanna be in an athletic position, you know, a little bit of bend in those knees just in case you need to push off or jump or do something. The other thing with snowboarding too is when you're making turns, you either got to push your hips forward into your toe side edge or push your hips backwards into your heel side edge. And once again, if we're bent at this position, I can't push my hips very forward to get onto my toe side edge. I might be able to have my hips back for my heel side edge, that might work, but I'll never get my toe side if I don't stand up and I can push my hips forward into my toe side turns. Now, this video is literally just a little gem to spark that idea in your head when you're out there riding. What is my stance like? Am I doing this right? Buckhouse was talking about this. So think about it the next time you get out snowboarding. Are you in the right body position? Now, with all that being said, I've been snowboarding for 13 years. I don't know everything about snowboarding. I just know a lot. This is just what I do, and I'm just sharing that knowledge with you guys so you can come out and have as much fun on the mountain as I am having. But if I miss something on stance, if you have a better stance than me, comment that down below. Ooh, and a gem too is like everyone will have, in a way, their own stance because everybody's a little different, but there's the core fundamentals, you know what I'm saying? That's what we're talking about too. The core stacked fundamental. I like to get a little like swag in my, you know, I'm me. But when you're learning, you know, we want to be here, and then as you get better, you can do it a little bit of tweaks and stuff. But once again, I don't know everything about snowboarding, and there's other awesome YouTubers out there that are making great content as well. So check out those guys. And with that, if you want to support my channel, subscribe, smash the like button, and if you want to snag an Evolution sticker, snag that, throw it on your helmet, let everyone know you're a part of Team Buckhouse, and then tag me on my Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shoutouts in my vlogs that I do. But with all that being said, thank you so much for starting with me today, Team Buckhouse, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video because it is daily on this snowboard channel.